Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a first impression for the Kopari set, and I did a haul video on I included this in my haul videos of Sephora and Ulta haul. So if you have not seen that, I'm gonna link it down below. So this is what I'm talking about, the Kopari Coconut Multitasking Kit. So this is what I'm talking about, the Coconut Multitasking Kit. And so I got this at Sephora for $40, and you get all this mini. I would not call this a mini. I would call this like a pretty good deluxe size sample products right here. So it says cruelty free, paraben free, non-GMO, silicone free, sulfate free, phthalate free. So the sizes of this is really good, I would say. And it says, let's go on a coconut power trip and slip into summer like we were born to bikini. Okay, well I'm not gonna read the whole thing. So anyway, I'm just gonna go straight with the first impression. I've not tried this at all. I just got this like a week ago, and so I want to show you this one first. This is called coconut shear oil, and this is just a coconut oil, I guess. It says direction: lavishly apply onto face and hair, fit to favor and skin type. Okay, so I love coconuts. I've been using coconut since I was in the Philippines, and so it's really good for your skin and your hair, everything. I mean, you can even put it in your coffee a little bit if you want to. And so I actually am using coconut cream for my coffee and soy milk. So anyway, so this one has a dropper in it. Ooh. Okay, it doesn't have a smell like a coconut smell. So this is what it looks like right here. And so let me go ahead and show you the transformation of the back of my hand. That was just only, not even a drop, but it's an oil. So anyway, whoa. It doesn't have, it has a little bit of a coconut smell. It's not like a real powerful coconut scent, but it has that coconut, a little bit of coconut smell. So put it in the back of my hand, kind of like moisturize my hand with it. Feels so good. Okay, so that's pretty. It said that you can put this in your hair as well. So my hair is a little bit frizz. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. I'm actually using a coconut like stuff for my hair anyway, but I'm not really sure if those are for real coconut product. So this one I have a high hope. Oh, looks like that it doesn't have a like a thickness feeling of a coconut, and it's not sticky, so that's good. And also it doesn't have a smell, like annoying smell. Like I'm not sure if this is 100% coconut, because if this is 100% coconut, then it should have a smell of like really good smell of a coconut. But this one doesn't have that. It has a little bit of it, but not like 100% coconut. But I'm not saying that it's not. I'm just saying that to my experience of coconut, because I use coconut every day when I was in Philippines. And anyway, so the next product here is the Body Glow. Now this one is kind of weird because it has some, I'm not sure if this is glitters. So it says, you probably have to shake this, and it says Coconut Body Glow, and shake for shimmer, smooth onto skin for sun-kissed gorgeous glow. I'm not sure if these are all just glitters. So this one is kind of like the one I'm really interested in. Ooh. It's like, what is that? Like, I guess, well, I'm glad my room is not like cold or anything like that, because none of this product did thicken. Alright, so the dropper looks like this, and I'm going to drop this like here for those of you who are wondering what this looks like on the body. So that one is one drop, and let's see if it has, oh my gosh, this is basically like a coconut with glitters in it. Is this the one they're talking about, like a highlight? Look at that. What? Well, this one is not my favorite because this is not, I don't know, just like a bunch of glitters in it. As you guys can see. Can you guys see the shimmers or the glitters around my hand? But, oh my gosh, it has a really good smell, like an orchid smell. Oh my gosh, now that smell is wow. Okay, so forget the glitters. I don't care about the glitters. Oh, that smells so good. Look at all the glitters in my hand. That smells so good. Whoa. Now that one is well worth it. The smell alone smells like floral. Ooh, it smells so good. You just want to slather this all over your body, except for the glitters. The glitters. Ooh. I'm just gonna have to take that off. Alright, so the next product here is the coconut milk. Alright, so didn't I tell you how much you're getting? Okay, so for the last two that I showed you, this one is 1 fluid ounce, which is a really good size, 1 fluid ounce. And this one is 0.5, so it's just a half. Not bad. Alright, so this one is the coconut milk. They're giving you 2.5. They're giving you 2.5 fluid ounce on this one. And if you buy this on a big jar, I think it's like $25 to $30. I'm not sure. But I will link it down below if you guys are interested of the full sizes of this. It says, melt a dollop in your hands and coconut your bud from head to toe. Now this one right here is made in Philippines, so we'll see if it smells like a coconut. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's an alright. It's a travel size, and it says right there. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh my gosh, there's the coconut. There you go. Alright, so the smell of the coconut, for real. If it's made in the Philippines, it should smell like that. Alright, so the coconut is right there. It's basically a cream, and now it's kind of thickened because it's not that hot in my room, which is good because if it's, if this thing, coconut, it will melt if it's hot, but it will also get, like thicken if it's cold in the room. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get the big one on this because this is made in Philippines, and that's exactly the smell of coconut. Yes. Alright, so see, I did I did swirl my finger around it, and that's the coconut right there. It did melted because my body is warm. So this is for real one. Now this is the real coconut right here, people. This one is for real coconut. So that's the one I want to put on my hair because that is legit coconut. See, this is exactly why even until now, even though I've been buying coconut products for my body and for my hair, I'm still not, I'm kind of in defense because I'm not really sure if those are for real coconut or it's just 1% coconut. Now this one, I'm telling you, this is for real coconut right here. Take it from a girl who's live in a country who, loves coconut and use coconut and eats coconut every day. This is it. This is the right coconut right here. The smell, the feel of it is thick. Just, not thick, but when you melt it, it's the coconut will melt, and it's just right there. It's like that's the real coconut right there. I'm just trying to tell you that this is the product right here. People, get this one. I'm gonna get a big jar of this because coconut is really good for your face, for your body, for your hair, for your lips, and this is not that much in a big jar. So I'm definitely going to get that one. Alright, so the last product in here is the coconut balm, which is a big size, by the way. And this is, what is this? This one is made in USA, so I'm not sure if this, I'm not sure, but this one is for real. This is all you need right here. Real coconut right here. So you are getting, how much? 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml on this one. Alright, so I'm just going to, this is a big bomb right here. So this one, ooh, comes out kind of like a coconut way. Alright, I'm not going to take that much. It's going to see, for chappy lips out there, especially summer is coming. Or did I smell that? Doesn't have a smell of a coconut either, so I'm not sure if this is kind of like 50% something else and 20% coconut, but does not. It's very light. It's almost like a liquid, but it kind of reminds me of the Kiehl's lip balm. Yep, there's a similarity to it. But it says, if it's dry, don't be shy. Put some in your balm and slather on some lip balm. So it is very hydrating. It kind of takes away the my chappy lips. You guys can see that. It's nice. Alright. My first impression on this kit right here, or this set right here. This is the box. So my first impression of this set right here, is this worth to try? Yes, it's definitely worth to try. I want to tell you my favorite in this whole set, like these 4 products. My favorite product, number 1, is this one, because it's for real coconut. I'm not lying. Okay, so that was the first one. And then the next one that I really like is this body glow. It's not because of the whole glow, but I love the smell. That's all I like about it. And it does kind of feel like a coconut, but I just don't like the glow, but I love the smell. So I'm kind of like, But the third one that I love is this coconut sheer oil right here. And then the fourth one is the lip balm. So that's my opinion about this product. Is this worth trying? Yes, it's worth trying, especially summer is coming, and it's also good for winter. It's good for everyday use. And if I may say, if there's one thing in this set right here that I'm gonna definitely get in a big bottle, is this one right here. You guys don't even, all you need is this one right here. This is it. This is it. I'm definitely gonna get the big one. You can go on diet with this, whatever. So I know, I'm just saying that out of all the 4, this is the real one right here. Hope that you find this helpful if you're thinking of this set right here, and I will see you again in my next video. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And to those of you who have, thank you so much, and I will see you again later. Bye guys.